What it do, my YouTube people, what it do? Hey, this your boy, Mr. McMahon in the kitchen, throwing it down, doing what he do, doing what he like to do. So today, what we have on the menu today is we had already prepared our yeast rolls from earlier, and these are yeast rolls. They've been preparing for about now 3 hours. They pretty much are done, ready to be baked now. So these are homemade yeast rolls we have going. And then over here we are going to be doing um, chicken breast and rice, baked chicken breast and rice casserole. So we're gonna be doing that. We've been working on it for the last past hour, or whatever. Um, got all the ingredients together for the rice and for the casserole rice. We already got it together in the sorry, we already got together basically in the chicken broth. How we got it set up. So what all we have in here, because I did not show it. What all I have in here basically is you have my rice, you have butter, we have you can put different kind of vegetables and anything you want, but I put green peppers in my onions and fresh garlic. I put that off in there, and that is all that we have in our recipe for the rice and baked chicken casserole. So now what we want to do is basically place our breast chicken and with our rice casserole recipe. We want to take care of that right now. So let's get that done. Like I said, we are now placing. Now what I did was these were big chicken breasts, but what I did was cut them in half to threes, and I think I got now maybe about 11 or 12 medium-sized chicken breasts about this size. So what we're gonna do is just place them into the recipe we have here. I'm gonna move this out the way. So we just want to place our chicken into our recipe like so. Since they are all cut up into pieces, it will be fine if they all lap up against each other just a little bit, since they are small now. So I can kind of lap them up. As y'all see how I'm putting more of them in there, I'm lapping them up, it's fine because they are small, and as it cook down they will eventually shape into the pot, into the dish pan. Did you just have a surgical procedure? What do you mean? So far this is our chicken casserole. We're about to put it in the oven. Give it about an hour, and we'll come back and check on it.